Step 11. Sort the table by city in alphabetical order. Add a second level to the sort by days on the market, with the houses on the market the longest at the top. Okay, so let's start with sorting the table by alphabetical order. So we're going to go to the Home tab. And then we're going to go over to the far right to Editing, and we're going to click Sort and Filter. We actually want a custom filter because we want to go by more than one level. And this item cannot be applied to the range. Select a single cell in a range and try again. Okay, so we're going to sort the table by city in alphabetical order. So we'll click that, and then we'll try again with our custom sort. And we're going to sort by city. And it wants alphabetical order, so we want to sort the values in A to Z. But now it asks us to do a second level sort. And when we do that, we add a level. And our second sort then is by days on the market. All right. So fortunately, the pull-down menu gives us all our fields already in that top row. And we click days on the market. And it asks us by doing the longest at the top. So that would actually, instead of being smallest to largest, we want largest to smallest. And that will put the longest house that sat on the market at the top. We're going to click OK. And there we have it. The house on South Choctaw sat on the market for 203 days. And that's the end of step 11. Step 12. Adjust column width so that all data is visible. In Excel, we can come between columns and we can double click the column between your column headers, and Excel will automatically make the space needed for those columns to show their data. So you just double click between your column headings, and then you have a nice, easier to view spreadsheet. It also asks us to wrap the column labels. So I'm going to highlight cell A1 to cell J1, and then I'm going to go into my font dialog box, and in my font dialog box I'm going to click the arrow to get the pop-up format cells box. Under alignment, I'm going to go to text control and say wrap text, and then I'm going to click OK. And as you can see now, column G's percent of list price is readable, as is days on the market. And I'm going to save, always save between steps, and that ends step 12. Step 13, repeat the field names on all pages. We're going to go to the fourth tab, which is the page layout view. And then in the page setup group, which is right here, we're going to choose print titles. And with the sheet tab selected next to the row, so we're going to click our row here and have our sheet title. Then in the rows to repeat at top, you click in that cell and then you click A1 to J1, and then click the enter key and click OK, and that will show up as you print on all pages. And that's the end of step 13. Step 14, add a page break at row 36. So we're going to scroll down to row 36. Click on row 36 and we're in the page layout tab, and we're going to come over here to breaks and insert a page break. And that's so the city data does not span between pages. And now we're going to go back to normal view. And that's into step 14. Step 15, add a footer with your name on the left side. So I usually go to insert. Let's go to page layout this time since we were on page layout, and go to margins, custom margins, and in the page setup dialog box I'll select header footer, and then we actually want a custom footer because we need 3 parts. So we select custom footer, and on the left side you're going to type your name, and then in the middle it asks you for the sheet name code in the center. So you literally highlight the icons above and it will show you the different names. And here's our sheet name. And then click your tab button. And on the right section, it says do the file name code, which is the file name is on the worksheet one. And you click that icon and you click OK and click OK. And that's the end of step 15. And step 16,